We're here in the Bloomingdale neighborhood of Washington, D.C., recently named one of D.C.'s best neighborhoods. Today, I'm featuring a beautiful front porch row house listed by my cityscape colleague, Kathleen Eder at Compass. Welcome to the Home of the Week. I'm Kelly Verbicus with the Cityscape Group at Compass. This home was built in 1911 and is ideally located in the heart of one of Washington, D.C.'s most popular urban neighborhoods, Bloomingdale. Featuring vibrantly painted brick and a charming front porch, 1529 First Street Northwest feels welcoming from the moment you approach and offers many of the features that today's home buyer is looking for. The main level of the home boasts a tile foyer, rich hardwood floors, a beautiful open floor plan with natural sunlight streaming through the many windows, and views of the colorful autumn leaves changing outside. The chef's kitchen was fully renovated in 2016 and is an absolute delight. Updates include new beadboard-style and glass front white cabinetry, artisanal tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, granite countertops, breakfast bar with butcher block style countertop, recessed and pendant lighting, and a lovely window over the sink with a view to the backyard. A powder room is conveniently located on the main level, as well as a bonus room at the back of the house, which was added in 2018 and could be used as a main level office or mudroom. The upper level has an ideal floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a sumptuous primary bedroom complete with ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The bedrooms are bright, happy spaces to relax and enjoy. The lower level was fully renovated and connected to the main house in 2021. Previously, it was a self-contained 2-bedroom apartment. Now, this amazing flex space has a large open family room with 8-foot ceilings, a full bath, and a bonus bedroom. Also on this level, there's a front and a back entrance and rough-in plumbing for a full kitchen that is still separately metered if the new owners would like to return this to a 2-unit property with an income-generating apartment. The backyard of this home is the perfect trifecta: a wooden deck at the back of the house for your grill and quiet morning coffee, a stone terrace for fire pit evenings, and lush green grass for a little bit of nature and the opportunity to garden if you wish. There are even not 1 but 2 off-street parking spaces in the rear of the home with an electric car charger circuit. The local restaurant scene in Bloomingdale is just one of the things that make this neighborhood so desirable. The neighborhood flagship restaurant, the Red Hen, is an intimate Italian spot that has become a neighborhood favorite. Other local favorites include the Big Bear Cafe, Boundary Stone, Arwa Thai, and the Pub and the People Gastropub. Many of the local restaurants also offer outdoor dining options. Bloomingdale has a rich history, which you can learn about by touring on foot and reading the many historic markers that dot the neighborhood. Nearby metro stops include the Shaw Howard University stop on the Green Line and the New York Avenue stop on the Red Line. Bloomingdale is a straight shot down North Capitol Street to the U.S. Capitol and the various House and Senate office buildings. This ideal Bloomingdale neighborhood is a quick commute to downtown D.C., Maryland, or Virginia. Updates to this fine home include a new roof in 2018, a new AC system, washer and dryer, and hot water heater in 2019. Ubiquity Wi-Fi access points are hardwired throughout the house, and the home is complete with smart locks and Ecobee smart thermostats.